system was at the alarm. So my goal was to create a system that detects the distance of the unknown intruder and alerts the homeowner. As the intruder nears, the lights light up one by one to indicate their closeness. As the final light goes on, all of the lights blink to warn the homeowner. To stop the alarm system, you have to press a button and it will begin reading the distance again. For the design, I used 5 lights in total, 4 clear and 1 red. I chose red to symbolize the most important warning signal because the light goes off when the intruder is the closest in proximity. As the red light goes off, all of the lights begin blinking to send an important warning signal to the homeowner. Building. To build my alarm system, I used Python to code and a Raspberry Pi with GPIO pins. I used wires to connect the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard, lights as output, buttons as input, resistors, and an ultrasonic sensor to detect the distance. The program I used is Python. This is importing the GPIO as GPIO, importing time, setting the variables, input and output, and those are the while true, and defining the time. And that is if the distance is like above 51, then no lights go on. 50, then 1 light would go on, and so forth. Testing. I tested my alarm system around 30 times. A problem I had was defining my inputs. For example, I forget to define what push button is. I also had to check my wires to see if their connection is secure. Rethink. If I had more time, I would make the end warning pattern more complex. For example, instead of simply blinking continuously until the button is pressed, I would make the lights blink one by one in a pattern to warn the homeowner of an intruder. Time to run it.
That's creepy.
So, Joylnn. So can you explain what happened?
So as my hand nears the ultrasonic sensor, it detects how far it is, and one by one the lights will light up. And when it's the closest, it will light up the red one, and then they start blinking. When I press the button, it will stop and then reset.
Yes. Any question? Let's give her a round of applause.